All right, so we're going to be making Ben's original ready rice. All you have to do is pop it in the microwave. This is going in the microwave for 90 seconds, it says. So for those who need a little bit more help, that's 1 minute and 30 seconds, okay? So we're just going to wait on that to cook. Y'all, this is so easy. You don't need a bowl. You don't need any kind of water or anything. You just got to pop it in the microwave. You can even eat from the bag, okay? It don't even give stove top instructions, okay? So, it has a little area where you can grab the bag. You make that little notch at the top so it can vent itself. And this is me just wasting time. Actually, I'm reading it, trying to find the little area where you touch it, and I'm showing y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this bag open because I'm gonna eat it right out the bag. I'm not wasting up no dishes at all. Okay, so now I'm just really checking it out. You know, it looks pretty good. It's not sticky. It's not yucky. It is very cheesy. I do like that. It's very cheesy. Now, what is not is seasoned. It is not seasoned. So you're going to see here in just a second. I'm finna go ahead and try some out. And it's kind of hot. Yeah, that was not the move. So you're going to see me dump the rest of that back in the bag. Or did I eat it? Oh, okay. I ate it. So I'm just like, let me go ahead and get my hookup stuff out. It need help. So we're going to add some black pepper. Yep, we're going to throw that on in there. We ain't done. We're going to add some little onion powder in there. And it don't take much. Just a little dab here and there. We definitely going to add some butter. Just a tablespoon. I love this little bag, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I love this bag. And that's just some all-purpose seasoning. I love Kinder's seasoning, but the video is not about Kinder's. It's about Ben's. And now you're just going to stir it up. You got to get that butter in there and get it lubricated. And like I said, it's still hot. So we're just going to kind of just waste time. And going to let them seasonings marinate. We're finna grab another mouthful. Now, it's not as loose as I thought it was going to be, but I understand why it's not loose because of the cheese. Yeah, thumbs up. That was really good. I will buy it again. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and have a good day.